Pandas. Pandas. Pandas, 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 pandas. Good morning, my pandas. Hope you are doing well. Got ourselves a nice little triangle here. Pandas. If you're able to catch the news this morning at 8:30, you were able to pass basically any account here. You had to move up from the news. You had a 32-point move. 32-point move for the 300K accounts, which is the hardest account to pass. I believe you need 20K. You go trade out to 27 contracts. Divided by 20. 37 points. You know what? I'm not sure if it's enough. Actually, you won't be able to pass the 300K accounts. You could have passed the 150K accounts. I mean, I personally think this is going to break out. 2,500 tick chart. Clearly staying above the 20 man. It looks like it wants to ramp up and just break out. Right? Basically creating a triangle here. It's a super strong bull move. Overnight session. I'm curious to see what happened with NVIDIA. So market closed at 4. Wow, alright, all of this. I guess the news came out like I mean, I really can't tell exactly when the news came out. It was 619 or something. We're at the top of this triangle. We're gonna break out right now. What's the question? I don't know. Good morning, my pandas. If you guys are just joining, thanks for joining. Drop a GM in the chat. Let me know where you guys are from. Also, scalp that like button. I'm trying to get back in the shorts game, pandas. I'm trying to get back in the shorts game. Summer in the Rockies, good morning. Turtle Toast, good morning. Bobo, good morning. Good morning from Texas. Alex Licia Bonet says, have you tried Top Step? Only smooth brainers try Top Step. You know what? I haven't. So, yeah, I'll knock it till you try it. But when I look at the rules and stuff, I feel like Apex is still better. And Top Step is very expensive. That's the main issue. It's expensive. The reason why Apex is still, I think, the best is that you get the best bang for your buck. So cheap. But My Funded Futures is actually cheaper. My Funded Futures is actually cheaper all-in cost. So that's why I'm also promoting that for anyone who wants to try a cheaper option in Apex. Go to My Funded Futures. 5% off. The eval is more expensive, but the activation, there's no activation fee, so it depends on, you know, what you're good at. If you're good at passing evals, then, you know, your option, it's better for you to do My Funded Futures. If you have a hard time passing evals, then it's probably easier to get cheaper evals, right? Just do what's cheaper. If you can pass evals well, then do my funded futures. If you can't pass eval as well, then stick with Apex until you get good at it. That's what I say. Quick look at the daily chart. We had a huge spike down, but pandas, we're right at the 20 EMA. I mean, you're thinking one more leg up after this huge move up here. That's what I'm thinking. But who knows, pandas. This triangle, we're bouncing off this triangle. Bouncing off the top of it. Pretty definitively, in my opinion. Pandas, are you guys ready to make bamboo today? I am. Ricardo, good morning, pandas, Puerto Rico. Can you trade with Apex in Puerto Rico? Hope you can. Today's plan, pandas, is to stick to the plan. That's what we're trying to do. Do I need 10% today? I never need 10%. 10% meaning 10% of the goal, which is $5,000 or $5,100. I'm never shooting for 10%. Some days I'll get $1,000. Some days I'll get $10. Some days I'll probably end up red. I ended up red 2 days ago. Not by much, but Charles Wilson, good morning. Pandas. Pandas. Pandas, 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 pandas. I got broads in Atlanta. Just in the lean and the Fanta. Got the cards and the scammers. Pandas, welcome to the stream. What's today's plan, pandas? The plan is to stick to the plan. And what's the plan? Step 1, recognize the market cycle. Is it a limit order market or is it a stop order market? Trade accordingly. Right now we have signs that we are like all of this overlap here. All this overlap here, all this overlap here gave us a hint that we are probably getting rangy here, consolidating. We did have news at 8:30 this morning, unemployment news, which caused this big spike up, but then big spike down. So feels like trading range. It feels like consolidation. It feels like it is a triangle right now. The market's about to open. I think it's going to go higher though, pandas. I think this has a lot of potential to go up today. It could be a bull trend day today. Because look at the overnight session. Look at how strong this move is. We're going to like open way above the previous day's close. Top left of your screen, we have 8 accounts right now. I basically just went ahead and funded or got past. I got 4 more accounts and they're funded, and obviously I did them off stream, got them funded off stream. But because 4 of our accounts, the 4 bottom accounts, they are already in payout city. We're going to leave those alone, and we're going to trade with these 4 brand new funded accounts, and we're going to see if we can get them to payout city as well. The idea is once you get to payout city, then you can use those funds to open more accounts and so forth. Market's about to open in 2.5 minutes. I'm not planning on a breakdown here. If anything, I'll probably buy at the bottom of this triangle. It looks like the move happened before it even got to the bottom. Okay, pandas. We didn't even get to the bottom of the triangle. Maybe showing eagerness from the bulls. We're gonna try to break out here. I mean, look at the 2500 tick chart. It's just like consolidating, building up a lot of pressure here to break out here, I think. In my opinion. 30 more seconds. Let's get that bamboo today, pandas. And with our brand new accounts, we're already up 540, so that's 10% of the goal. Technically, I traded 2 days on them already, so you know, in order to get payouts by 10 days, you gotta get 10% per day, $500 per day, basically. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, blast off. Market just opened. Actually, we didn't open too much higher than the previous day's close. It's actually right here. Okay, coming back down to the bottom of the triangle. In this situation, you're better off with a breakout retest, but yeah. Second entry long, not interested in the second entry long. Trap triggers outside bar reversal. That fails. This is getting wacky, pandas. This is getting wacky. Up and down, super choppy. Not interested in anything right now in this nonsense. Waiting for this to resolve. Starts to push up a little bit here. Pushing up again. Do I like it now? Ooh, strong bull bar ending on a tie. There we go. Here's our breakout. Breakout retest is what I'm more interested in. Not like a small pullback and get in long here. If we get one. We might not get one. Might be always in long. Small pullback wasn't enough to push us up higher. The higher low. We're in breakout mode right now, pandas. You can buy with limit orders beneath the previous candle's low. You can buy the breakouts here. Everything is working out for longs currently. You're just buying it up with limit orders, previous candles low, making new highs. We didn't quite get to where I wanted to get to, which was the 20 EMA. Ooh, this is gonna be hard to get in. Also, it's the first bar on the 5-minute chart. It's the first 5 minutes, pandas. Am I being too timid here? Whoa! All right. I'll try to get 10-point scalp here real quick. It doesn't look stoppable right now. Points, come on!
Target filled.
Just buy, pandas. Trading is the easiest thing I've done in my entire life. You literally just, if the market goes up, you buy. If the market goes down, you sell. It's that easy, pandas. Stop thinking so hard about it. This is a huge move up, I'll tell you that much. Look at the 5-minute candle. Super strong bull bar ending on its high. I mean, it's a beginning of a trend too. It's like, it's the right beginning of the trend. Jesus, this has a lot more room to go up, pandas, I'll tell you that much. There's a lot more room to go up, I'll tell you that much. I'll tell you what, pandas. I'll tell you what. I almost want to go on every first entry. Yeah, if you don't go on first entries, you're not going to make any money. You're going to wait too long. You guys go on every first entry. It's crazy that we just start off with just a straight up breakout right now. Ooh, could create a second entry for us. Has to break this low. The previous candle's low. There it is. Our first, second entry. And it's going without us. Come back! No! Ugh. I guess I'll take it. Ugh. I don't know if I like that. One for one. Ooh. Ooh, that's close, pandas. 1 for 1 or 2 for 0. I'll take 2 for 0. Ooh, okay, it's getting a little choppy here now. I don't mind rebuying at the 20 EMA here. This is wacky though. I'm still on this pandas.
Target
Trading
filled.
is the easiest thing I've done in my entire life. When the market goes up, you buy. That's it. It's so easy, pandas. Bill 7, 992 profit with one contract. That's like 20. Well, how many points is that? That's like 40-point trade on Nascraq. Welcome to Different Trader. Welcome, welcome. If it's your first time here, I'm Bye Money. Most profitable trader on YouTube verified. I'm going to buy off the 20 EMA. I'm just... Why not, pandas? Why not at this point? One day, pandas. One day we're going to have a super strong uptrend. And we're going to buy off the 20 EMA. And it's actually going to work out. One day. Today's not the day, though. Just one day. We're going to get this breakout. And... bounce off the 20, actually bounce off the 20 EMA. It will happen, pandas. It will happen. But not today, obviously. I don't think the uptrend's over in any sense, pandas. This is starting to turn to a trading range though right now. So we gotta buy low, sell high. Buy low, sell high. One day, pandas. One day. Super strong breakout. We will bounce off the 20 EMA. It will happen. Pandas. It will happen. Buy low, sell high. Buy a limit order here. Strong bear bars. Coming down. Okay. I thought we were going to trading range, but are we gonna reverse here straight up? I'd be surprised if we just reversed here. Open reverse. I'm 2 for 2, pandas. 2 for 2. Can you blame me buying off the 20 MA and buying off the bottom of this pivot? Can you blame me for that? Yeah, no. You gotta try. You gotta try what makes sense. Do I want to keep buying is a question. I don't know anymore. High or low, I'll take it. Alright. Premise was right. My levels were wrong though. Jeez. Sorry. Okay, back to trading range. If it's a range, top of it. Not really interested in selling here because we're such a strong uptrend. It's highly likely to break out. Don't want to bank on this breakout right now. Take advantage of the fact that we are truly going in trading range right now. I'll try to bump it down here, see what happens. I could wait for the next reversal off of here. That could be a better thing to do. But I'm not sure if we'll get much. Okay, pushes down pretty hard. If we go much lower here, then technically we're making lower highs and lower lows. Could be opening reversal. All right. Okay, right. Lower highs, a double top here. Now we're kind of pushing down a little hard. Pushing down pretty hard. Basically retracing this whole spike channel. Retracing it back to the bottom of it. All right. Gotta be quick to change your premise. My 2 longs failed, which my 2 longs I thought made sense. They both failed. Premise may change here, pandas. Premise may change. Keep making lower lows. That's a wild bar. 5-minute strong bull bar ending on its high, no follow through. Absolutely no follow. In fact, it's actually reversing here. We're down 30 bamboo sticks, pandas. I'm 2 and 2 right now. Okay, spike and channel. Spike, channel. Not sure how long this channel will last for though. Okay. I want a second entry short here though. I'll take a fail second entry short. Ooh, that's an okay looking second entry short. Spike channel, breaks the channel, comes back to the 20 MA. Underneath the 20 MA though. Ugh. This is hard. I'll take the lower high. This is tough. Yeah, this is tough. Sure doodly do is. Whoa! Outside bar reversal. I don't enjoy that very much. Don't like that. Don't like that at all. This is getting confusing. Very choppy. Before overlapping bars in a row. This is confusing, Pandas. I'm setting my pause here. I'm a little bit confused. It's getting very choppy right now. Wow. That's very choppy. Okay. This is very choppy here. It's telling us to try and turn to a trading range, in my opinion. That's very choppy. Very unusual price action, in my opinion. Second entry long forming on the 2500 tick. It's an ugly looking one, but it is a second entry long. Okay. Looks like we're going back up. Give me a trap here, I'll take it. I'm interested in this trap. Ooh, okay. Still kind of interested in this trap if we get it. Especially with a good signal bar. Or is the market warning me we're basically in a trading range right now? I guess we'll find out. Market possibly warning me we're in a trading range. And this could be a silly trade. Yeah, I think market's warning me we're in trading range. I still feel okay here. I'll take my 1-to-1. I don't know if I want more than that. Oof. Ah.
Target filled.
I don't like it, Pandas. I don't like it at all. Ah, yikes. Ends up working out. I really don't like it. Ends up working out. Ends up working out. Jeez. That was weird. That chop messed me up. It made me feel like something's happening. Something weird's happening. That chop really messed me up, and this pullback messed me up as well. My cojones shriveled up. What can I say? That had me nervous. Pandas, look at this price action. Like you're thinking like, where's the trading range gonna happen? Ends up breaking out though. I should just taken the loss. It wasn't that big of a loss. Jeez. I was okay with losing that too, but the price action made me feel like I was trading the wrong thing. Okay, making new highs now. This is funky. That's really funky, in my opinion. We're undoubtedly in an uptrend again. But that is funky. The fact that I did that makes me wonder what's happening today. I don't like the funk. It could be a limit order market still. I'm gonna take my chances here and go long at the end of this 5-minute candle though. It's not as nice as I want it. $20 EMA? Only problem is that we could be in a big trading range right now. People sold, right? Instead of buying that strong bull bar, they sold it, creating a limit order market. I mean, we can come right back down, in my opinion. This is weird, right? This is weird price action. It makes me feel like something weird's happening. I mean, we're going straight down right now. It's crazy. Straight up, straight down. Right, this is classic price action trade or trading range price action. Big down, big up, big down. The question is, can we profit from it? Can we discern from this price action and profit from it? Oof, it's a big move down. Very big move back down, right? Big move up, big move back down. I mean, pandas. I should be buying down here. Buy low, sell high. Right? Is that not the mantra when it comes to trading range? All right. Come back up. I'm not opposed to this going all the way back up. So the question is, it's hard to predict that low. This looks like it wants to push one more time down, though. Yeah, that definitely looks like it wants to push one more time down. I'll take a second to short if we get it. Why not? Jeez, why does that have to look like that? Why does the second short have to look like that? All right. What's the worst that can happen here, pandas? What's the worst that could happen here, pandas? I get a little boo-boo. Is this the long I want? This this the long I want? $20 EMA. I just need an entry, man. I just need an entry, pandas. What do I do? I just need an entry here. High or low? Technically, I should wait for a trend to resume, but on this trading range, I'm not opposed to this high or low here. Especially if it looks really good. I don't like the outside bar reversal. Skip on that. Trap trade will be beautiful here if we can get it. Ooh, pandas. I think it's gonna be one of these. I think it's gonna be one of these. I gotta time this perfectly. Okay, or not. Pandas, this is good. This is so good. A+ setup right here, pandas. Let's get it. A+ setup. Let's get it. Whoa! It was so A+ pandas, it just blasted through my... I couldn't even... It was so A+, the market said, you can't even get in this trade because it's too perfect. Goodness gracious, pandas. What in the world was that? I was like, wow, this is a really good trade. And I think the rest of the market also agreed with me. What in the world was that? The Nascraq, seriously. Can't even get in a trade. It kind of jump scared me. I was like, whoa, move so quick. What in the world, pandas? I mean, today is just not the day. I can't even get into good trades. What in the world? I don't know how else I could have entered that trade unless I entered early, which I never do. So it's just, it was meant to be, pandas. I was never meant to enter that trade. It is what it is. Got a second entry long here. I'll try, but it's not the best, right? Because we're at the top of a trading range now. It's not the best because we're at the top of a trading range. But the move was so strong. I'm going to assume we're going to try to get another push up here. Possibly Big Mama here. Let's get a nice push up, pandas. I want like a really good push up here. You hate to see a reversal in your trade when you're long, right? You hate to see it ever break a previous candle's low. But if it ever does, you love to see it break a previous candle's high to make a higher low. Higher low and creates a pivot. If we can get a pivot, it's struggling to make a new high here. Struggling. Will it do it? Alright, makes a new high. At this point, I'll come up break even if it does reverse on me.
Ooh, yeah. I mean, you got to get out now. If it does reverse, you just got to get out. It is what it is. Like, I don't know, like, not sure what's happening here, but I'm going to get out if it does take me out break even. Takes me out break even, pandas. It is what it is. Something weird's happening here. That higher low couldn't push up higher. It's very strange in my opinion. Very strange if it can't do that. If the higher low can't even break out like that. People may just be buying though here. Limit orders on the 20 EMA. Limit orders where I put my stop loss. Creating another triangle here. That would have been a nice trade if I could have got in. Either way, I would have only made like 10 points. Aces, don't spoil next time. The chat is the reason why it went up. I highly doubt it. Pandas, I'll be right back. I'm back. Sorry about that, Panis. Life.
That's life.
That's what all people say. Pandas. I don't think I missed much, to be honest, though. So I don't mind stepping out for a second. Pandas. Just in case you don't know, code BBM, 80% off Apex. Code BBM, 5% off My Funded Futures. If you want a different option. If you're tired of Apex. If you want to try something different. This is getting wacky. Yeah, this weird price action kind of signaled wackiness was about to ensue here, for sure. Yeah, like I wouldn't be surprised if it comes right back up somehow, one way or another. We could try to fill the gap at this point as well. Or there's a gap on the 5-minute chart. Come back here. Could just come back to the 20 EMA. Bounce right off of it. All I know is I'm going to sit on my paws and wait. This could be a scratch day today for me, Pandas. I mean, it's such a wacky day. The best setup right here was right here. And as you guys saw, the moment it triggered the setup, it just blasted off. So I couldn't even get in. I couldn't even get in, Pandas. Tried getting here, but took me out before it really made its move. That's the move I wanted to see. Like, I don't know if I can even trust this move down. Like, I feel like there could be a reversal right here. Lots of reversals today. Like, I don't know if I even want a second entry short. I don't think I even want one. Might be a second entry short far away from 20 May. Or too far away from 20 May. Pep talk from Mrs. Fan. Nah. No. Touching the 20 EMA here. But the 5-minute as well, touching the 20 EMA. 2,500. That's actually a trap trade that really triggered here. This big move down. Could move more. Sure, why not? I'll look for a trap trade here. I'll take it. Give me a trap and I'll take it. Pandas, give me a trap and I'll take it. Second just short. It's such a reversal-y day. I'm going to take a reversal here. Ooh. Okay. Looks a bit bearish. Everything looks bearish to me. Because I'm a panda. I'm a panda bear. Huh. Not sure if I'm interested in that anymore. The second entry short ends up working out, at least for a 1-to-1. It's a right at the 20 EMA. It makes it very tricky, in my opinion. Ooh, you know what? This channel's coming back into play here, Pans. We got an overshoot to an undershoot now. I think this channel is going to keep going on for a while. Let's try to get back into the channel, back to the top. That'll be fun. That'll be a fun trade, Pandas. Like, how fun would that be? Coming back into this channel all the way back to the top. Hold it with diamond cojones. See what happens. I like that. I like the sound of that. Let's try.
We gotta get our setup first. I like one more push down just to touch one of these supports here. I would like one more push down. It's probably creating another triangle. Some sort of triangle here. Maybe something like that. Okay. I like a little more than that, to be honest. I like a little more than that. I like a little more than that before we start pushing up for real. Man, that setup, Pandas. I'm still thinking about it. It was so juicy. You could tell the rest of the market thought the same. Coming off the bottom of our channel. Break a trend to new low. Trap here fails. Reverses. Trap here. I mean, it's just such a good trade, Pandas. Everything about it, it's just like so rare to see a trade like that.
A Shield says, I got in the trap early. I had a target for 110. But it went so fast, it blew through my order and closed me out at over 400.
That's how you know how volatile. That's why it's called a Nascraq. Because even with limit orders,
Even with your price, your profit, take profit, with a limit order, it will blow through that and give you more money than you wanted. That's amazing. I love to hear that. That's when slippage happens on the positive side, which is so rare. So rare. High or low here? Do I love it? Not really. I don't love the high or low. Unless we had an established uptrend, but it's tough to be honest. You would have to have like a swing trade setup. Trap trade. I'll take a trap trade, I guess. It'll be a hidden trap at this point. This is really funky. This is really funky right now. Very funky. Very funky price action. What in the world is happening? Very funky price action, in my opinion. This could be the opportunity here. This could be the opportunity here. Oh, I might have missed it. Remember what I said? Come back to the top of the channel. How fun of a trade that would be. I was waiting for a setup, but we never got one. We never got anything close to resembling a setup. Maybe this hidden trap. This is advanced counting, but there's a hidden trap here. Advanced counting. How do you count advancedly? Jeez. One of the ugliest trades I'd consider, but content. One of the ugliest trades. It's a very ugly trade. I should not do it. Especially with this trend line here. Yikes. It's not looking good. It is not looking good at all. It's an ugly trade. I'm getting desperate here. Yeah. I deserve this loss. I deserve this loss for sure. If it wins, it's pure luck at this point because that I deserve to lose this trade. Yeah.
Target filled.
I'll come out break even. Whoa! 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 Okay, ends up working out. Pens. I can't even skip the bad trades anymore. Like all the trades I'm skipping, all my skunk trades are working out. It's crazy. But remember what I said, Pandas. Wouldn't it be a fun trade if we went down here, came all the way back up to the top of the channel? I mean, it might happen still. Jeez, it might happen. I just didn't have a setup. I don't have a setup to get there. Wish I did. I wish I sure diddly did. I think it's gonna be a scratch day today, Panis. I was up like 300 at a certain point on one trade, but I wanted more. Much more. It's not pretty, Pandas. It really is not pretty, but I'll go for it. It's really not pretty, Pandas. I almost don't even want to risk more than 10 points here. Oh, geez. Okay.
10,000 tick trap.
Okay. Okay. Pandas. Pandas. What do we have here now? Ride or die. La da 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 la. How high can you fly? How high can you fly? No. What? Don't even think about taking me out. Don't even think about taking me out and then blasting off without me. Do not even think about that. I know that's what you're thinking. You're going to take me out and then blast off without me. Don't even think about it. Come quick, see. Come on, break the previous candle's high. I know you want to. Give me a new pivot. Let's go. Pandas. Pandas. Super Saiyan. Pandas. Pandas.
Target filled.
Get me out of there. Easy peasy. Got my bamboo. We even on a day like this, Pandas, we getting our bamboo, reading the market, price action, bar by bar. Goodness gracious, Pandas. Got that bamboo. Whoo! Easy peasy. I had zero doubt that was gonna work. That was not gonna work. Zero doubt, Pandas. I knew 100% that was gonna work. Easiest trade of my life. I was scared, Pandas. I'm not gonna lie. I was pretty much like expecting to lose that trade so bad. It's not even close. Whoo! But Pandas, I mean, like I said, wouldn't it be a fun trade trading somewhere down here, holding it all the way until we hit the top of the channel? Wouldn't that have been fun? Unfortunately, we didn't get any setups to get there. We didn't get any setups to get up here. But I'll take that. I almost caught the top. Did I catch the top, Pandas? Did I catch the top? Is it possible? I mean, I'm not looking for a goal. I'm not looking for a goal, Pandas. But if I were, I would definitely look for $500 a day on one account. Because that means across 4 accounts, that's $2,000. And that means that in 10 days, I'll be qualified for another payout. Pandas! Do you see what I'm saying here, Pandas? Do you see what I'm saying? Jeez. Whew! Did I catch the top, Pandas? Did I catch the top here? Goodness gracious. Pandas! Ricardo Cardona. Push! Got the second entry long, coming off the 20 MA. Could be a good push here again. But Pandas. I'm already full. I ate too much. I already ate too much. On a day like this, we got big up, big downs. It's a little bit difficult. So I'm happy with my profits here. I'm sticking with that, Pandas. Turtle toes. I hope to become profitable one day. I do too. I do too. Profitability is only with hindsight bias, to be honest. You never know if tomorrow if you lose your edge or not. It's just, this market is confusing though. I'm not gonna lie. It's just like a lot of chop, a lot of up and down. Even taking that long is kind of risky. That long was very risky. to be honest. In all fairness, like I'll you know, I'll admit it. I'll admit it. It was a little sus entry, but we got it, pandas. We got it. So any trade that you enter, you have to be okay with losing. I remember I didn't even risk 10 points on that trade. That's what I said, but let's see what the target was. Yeah, I made a little bit more than 1 to 2 risk reward. Look how choppy it's getting now. It's Chop City. Just be careful, pandas. Just be careful, pandas. Be careful around here. It can get very tricky. We got a trap trade. Do I trust it? Not really. It's because it's so choppy already. Everything's so choppy. It's just very hard to take these trades. Everything's so choppy. You're just thinking lots of these setups will fail. Do you think I'd trade better on NQ than the EQ? I guess you mean the ES. NQ or the EQ, the equalizer, like a DJ. I'm not a DJ. Honestly, NQ is easier to trade in my opinion, just because there's more volatility. There's more volatility. NQ is kind of like what the EMINI used to be when we had good volatility, but now it's like the NQ. But even NQ, you're getting chop. Like all these overlapping bars, very confusing. Very confusing. Keeps turning to trading ranges, keeps turning into trends. Lots of overlap. I'm telling you, like all of that nonsense right here kind of gave us today saying that it's going to be a weird day. I think today's been quite weird. We're in this channel going upwards, but overshoot to the undershoot, come back up. Ooh, okay. I get a little push up here. We actually might hit the top of the channel. I'm so curious. I'm so curious. I wish I just bought anywhere down here. But the problem is if I buy anywhere down here, like I have a hard time figuring out where my stop loss should be. If I just buy here, hold till up here, Walmart trade as Al Brooks will call it. Green took that second entry long on ES and NQ. Let's go. Congrats. That's actually an H4 trade, which is even better. Off of support. Turtle Toes is done. Congrats. Yeah, very tricky. It's a trading range. I mean, I might as well buy right here. Like, if anything, my trade right here is to buy. Which is crazy. Just to buy, like... I might have missed my buy already. To buy here. Buy here. Buy anywhere. This is all buys here. Bottom of the trading range. I may even try it. I may even try it. It's too late. Too late. Honestly, the longer I trade, the more I depend on my intuition, which is weird. Like when you start trading, you don't want to depend on your intuition. But the more you trade, the more I depend on it. It's more of like a feeling. Like, oh, this feels like it'll go up, or this feels like it will down, or this feels like it's starting to get choppy. I mean, you can look back and try to create some objective reasoning, but you can see like, you know, four almost complete overlapping bars here, going up and down like this on the way up. Lots of wicks, lots of overlap here. You know, I don't know how to put into words, or if there's even a technical way to put it. Like, should I say once there's 3 overlapping bars in a row, or many? I don't know. Like, it's just hard to put like actual like measurement on it. I should be selling up here. Technically, if this is a trading range, but it actually might get to the top of the channel, pandas. It did it. It's actually getting there. Can you believe it, pandas? Absolutely incredible. Coming back to the top here. Triple bottom. Coming back to the top of the channel. Like I said, would it have been a fun trade if we just held it all the way to the top? And it actually made it. It actually made it to the top. Breaking through the channel. Wouldn't it be fun if I just shorted it here? Should I just short it, pandas? Should I just short it? Low or high, I'll short it. Fail second entry long would be my best setup though, to be honest. I don't think it fails second entry long last trade of the stream. Charles says, when I first joined your channel, I feel like I slowly trained on intuition, and then as I start to learn this two-legged pullback and price action, I realized how ignorant I was. And now that I've gotten ... really decent two-legged pullback and price action with the chop, I got to rely on intuition again. But it's with the bias of price action, so at least it's a little more accurate. That's a good way to put it. Goodness gracious. Couldn't said it better myself, Turtle Toes. Now that you have like the tools and the foundation, intuition actually is reliable. Whereas before it's like, there's no way it can keep going up. Now I'm saying, yes, this is gonna keep going up. Took that long plus 30 points. Ricardo! Killing it. Fail second entry long, pandas? Am I getting my setup? There's no way. There's no way the market's going to be so kind to give me my setup. There's absolutely no way the market's going to give me my fail second entry long here. I do not believe it. If it gives it to me, pandas, I got to take it. Win or lose, I'll be happy. But geez Louise, are we going to actually... Pandas. Pandas. Pandas, what's going on? Or it's just a second entry low and that works out beautifully. Breakout retest, second entry long, could be that. Very hard to take this trap above the 20 MA. Very difficult. I'm doing it, I don't care. Very difficult to take this trap above the 20 MA. Diamond cojones, pandas. Now I don't love the trade, I just kind of like it. It's not even I kind of like it, I kind of hate it. A fail second entry long is a fail second entry long. Psych. Second entry long just ends up working out nicely. I thought we were balancing out the top of the channel and reversing off of it. I was ready for something incredible to happen. Ends up being a breakout right of the training range indicator, breakout, second entry long off the top of it now. resistance acting as support. Also 20 EMA acting in your favor. Decent signal bar, and nice push up here. It is what it is. It is what it is, pandas. All right, pandas, we made our bamboo today. We're up 650. Pandas, don't forget, we are streaming live. Most of my trades, if not like 95% of my trades, you see them on stream. I don't trade off stream. I don't make all of a sudden all this money off stream that you never get to see. It always happens on stream. So this is why I am the most profitable trader on YouTube. Verified. All right, pandas. I'll see you guys on Monday. Oh, Labor Day Monday. Oh, I'm not gonna see you guys for a while. You guys will be missed. Tuesday, I'll see you guys bright and early on Tuesday. Don't forget, market is closed on Monday. And yeah, take advantage of the code BBM while it lasts. It's going to end on the 3rd, I believe, which is the day after Labor Day. So stock up on them now, especially because tomorrow we got big news. We got the PC numbers, which is an inflation reading. And so make sure you take advantage of that, because you can probably pass your accounts in one single trade with that news event. But pandas, no guarantees. Trade safe, everyone. As always, stick to the plan. Stick to the plan, pandas. Read the market cycle. Read the market. Read the price action. Good things will happen. Have a great weekend, everybody. And pandas, after Labor Day, I think we're going to go back to our 5-day schedule. We're going to stream every single day. And also be on the lookout for my shorts. Hit that bell notification icon so you can see the shorts when they come out. And I would love it if you like the shorts as well. Let me post the shorts up here. This is my most recent short. Another short. I'm planning to release like 2 a week or something. Nothing crazy, but just some highlights, some fun moments in our stream. This most recent one is getting some traction here. Ooh, we're getting a nice push up here, pandas. Goodness gracious. Make sure you like that short. Supports the channel. Let's get these shorts pushed out, pandas. Pandas, have an amazing weekend. I'll see you guys bright and early on Tuesday. Trade safe, everyone. As always, happy trading. God bless. Bye.